Welcome to the ipTTY 2.0 short demonstration video. My name is Dustin Armstrong and I am the Director of Operations here at Tenacity. In this demonstration, I will be showing a few key features of the latest version of ipTTY. Let's begin. ipTTY is a text application that allows users to make and receive calls to and from other TTY machines. To use ipTTY, a phone system that supports SIP, which stands for Session Initiation Protocol, is required. Most VoIP and/or hybrid PBX systems support SIP. By using ipTTY, there is no need for analog lines, expensive voice modems, or outdated TTY machines. ipTTY is a robust yet very small and fast application. The interface is intuitively designed with the largest area of the interface reserved for the conversation window. The sidebar allows users to toggle between the built-in call log and conversation window. The application status, which includes login status and call connection status, is displayed at the top of the right sidebar. The bottom of the interface includes the Actions toolbar. ipTTY can be navigated through mouse point and click, tab and select actions buttons, or keyboard hotkeys. ipTTY is compatible with speech recognition software, alerters, and more. Let's talk about the call log. To navigate to the call log, select the call log button on the main interface. The call log is set up as a data grid that is filterable via the drop-down at the top. Using the drop-down, you can filter the list by all calls, dialed, missed, or received. Returning a call is super easy. You simply double-click on the call in the list and ipTTY will dial the caller back. Keyboard users can also press the space bar on any entry in the call log to return a call. Let's now talk about speed dials. In ipTTY, users are also able to set up speed dials for their most used numbers. To open the speed dial form, simply select the speed dial button at the top of the interface. Speed dials are assigned to your keyboard function keys. Type the name of the speed dial in the display name field, and then the number in the number field. Once OK is selected, the speed dial will be saved. With ipTTY, setup is very easy. Once the third-party SIP device has been set up on your phone system, you're ready to configure ipTTY. SIP configuration consists of just one form. To begin configuring ipTTY, select the Settings button on the main form. Once the Settings form is open, navigate to the SIP tab to populate the appropriate fields. In most cases, only the extension, authentication user, registrar, and password fields are required. This information is usually provided by your telecom manager. Next, navigate to the Answering tab to set up a default standard message that will display when a call is connected. Set your message in the text box provided. Now let's move on to the Save Conversation tab. The standard version of ipTTY allows users to save the text conversation once a call is ended. The user has the option to prompt for saving the conversation or have ipTTY automatically save the conversation into a specific directory. Next, I will select the Incoming Call tab. There are several ways in which a user can be notified when an inbound call occurs. The incoming call window is where those options can be set. The user can have ipTTY automatically answer an inbound call, prompt for answer, or even have the call automatically forwarded to another extension. The user can also set up a sound for notification, as well as enable flashing windows to display when a call is ringing. Now we will move to the RTP Settings tab. The RTP Settings tab is where users can enable real-time text by selecting the checkbox Enable RFC 4103 Negotiation. Since ipTTY also supports a baud rate of 50, it can be used in other countries outside of the U.S. Next, let's move to the Audio tab. ipTTY supports hearing carryover and voice carryover. To allow for the use of audio, the user must select the checkbox Enable Audio inside this tab page. Select the OK button to save and close the settings form. We will now move on to the conversation portion of this demonstration. There are three ways to create an outbound call using ipTTY. You can use a speed dial, the call log, or manually using the dial button in the actions bar. We will use the dial button. I will select the dial button, then type in the extension to dial, then I will press the OK button to execute the dial. Once my colleague answers, I will say hi. You should notice that unlike standard TTY machines, ipTTY provides a multi-line display instead of a single-line display. The font color and size can be adjusted to accommodate specific user requirements. If my caller has a question I am unable to answer, I can escalate the call to another party inside my organization by using the transfer function. I will now end the call by selecting the Hang Up button in the Actions bar. This concludes the ipTTY 2.0 video demonstration. For more information about ipTTY or any of our products, please visit our website at www.accessiphone.com. Thank you.